Welcome back to another video. This is Vacation Resort Tours, and today we are staying in a one-bedroom at Disney's Wilderness Lodge in the Copper Creek section, the DVC section. This is room 3106. And let me show you around. Admittedly, the floor plan is weird. Right when you walk in, behind this door is the washer and dryer. All the one bedrooms and above in the DVC resorts come with a washer and dryer, which is super nice. To the right, once you walk in, there's the fridge, freezer, little closet with a safety deposit box. Here's a little kitchen. It comes with a 12-cup pot coffee maker, some coffee and tea in there. Trash and recycling. The DVC rooms all come with like full kitchen utensils, pots, pans, oven, stovetop, everything. Everything you can imagine or want in a kitchen to be able to cook, to make things feel more homey. They have it in the DVC rooms, which is great. You could even wash your own dishes if you wanted to. Not that you all need to see every cabinet open, but just to give you an idea. Dishwasher, our water and coffee to go cups. I like this picnic table type setup here. There's probably a better word for it. And the thing about these rooms is there's a ton of great storage. We actually brought some stuff to cook breakfast in the morning, so that's like our little picnic baggie that we're storing under there. It's a little bit of the decor. This pulls out to a bed, I believe. Yes. That also opens up for more storage. I don't know if this is one of the TVs that you can connect to through your phone, but we will test that out later. Cute little bench there. I don't know what these are. We didn't set it up in our last room. I'm sure that will explain it all. But this is like instead of a Hey Siri, this is a Hey Disney smart device. Do I want to show you the patio now? Yes. Oh boy. It's childproof. Look at how big our patio is. I don't know about our view, but the one thing I do like about this room is we don't have neighbors on this side. I love that. It's definitely more privacy, which I do like. If you've been to the resort before, you know that that's the walkway to the bus stop, and that is the Boulder Ridge Villas, which is another DVC resort. The patio will connect to the one bedroom, but I'll show you the one bedroom back through the living space, the kitchen space, so you can see the path here. That's kind of weird. I like the pattern on the floor. I love this little area here. Sit, put your shoes on, a little bit of storage. Let me show you this part of the bathroom. And me. Nice shower. With that rainfall shower head. Disney shampoo, conditioner, body wash. I thought maybe there'd be a light in there, but there's not. That's the only light, so might get really dark in there. This is cool. The tub with the geode pattern. Another little sink there. And I do like these. Light up so you can do your makeup or whatever. And this one does look like it has little jets on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that in the video. Oh, I wish we had some stuff from Basin, like bath salts or bubble bath. Man, plan ahead, people. That was the main bathroom where we entered the bedroom. There's tons of storage under the bed here. That's becoming the new norm for a lot of the DVC rooms. And maybe even the other rooms too. But since we're DVC, we primarily only stay in the DVC rooms, which I like. So if you have luggage, you can shove it under there. And then I like these little lights here. And there's a little toggle here so you can dim it or make it brighter. I will say these mattresses and the pillows are so comfy. My husband doesn't think so, but I think so. I get my best sleep in the DVC resort. Here's a shot of the room from this angle. Little armoire. Don't mind my stuff. And then the bedroom side of the patio. Oh my gosh. They really don't want me out here, I guess. Nope. Oh my gosh, it was unlocked the whole time. You can kind of see the people going to the bus stop or coming from the bus stop or coming from Boulder Ridge. I also like these patio chairs. They're a lot more comfortable than most of the patio chairs at the other resorts. And the other resorts, they're just metal, like your back is resting on metal. These have this fabric on there, which is nice. And they dry fast when it rains. And I also really like that this wall is here. You won't be able to see our feet or my PJs in the morning when I'm out here drinking my coffee. But yeah, I'll take you through one last lap of our one bedroom at Copper Creek at Disneyswildernesslodge. Thank you guys for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the video.